Hi everyone, I am MVLNM Raju. Welcome to chemistry class. In this video, I am going to explain some important oxoanions and oxoacids. See how I am writing. 1. Carbon oxoacid, that is carbonic acid. Very important. What is the formula? H2CO3. It can form two oxoanions. One is HCO3 minus bicarbonate. Okay, another one is carbonate CO3 minus 2. CO3 minus 2. That is carbonate. Clear all of you? Similarly, what next? Boron. Boric acid. So weak acid. H3BO3. So it can form three series of salts, but only BO3 minus 3 is important. That is borate. Okay. Borate. Valence is 3 here. That is called basicity. Okay. Monobasic, dibasic. This is tribasic. Tribasic acid. Tribasic. Clear? What next? Oxoacids of nitrogen. One is nitrous acid. Clear? What is the formula? HNO2. This is monobasic acid. It can form only one oxoanion. That anion is nitrite. Clear? 4. Nitric acid. Okay. Formula is HNO3. That is also monobasic. Can produce only one oxoanion. NO3 minus 1. That is nitrate. Clear? 5. Pernitric acid. Pernitric acid. What is the formula? HNO4. It is not able to form stable oxoanion. Okay. Per means there is one peroxy bond. Per means peroxy bond. Clear all of you? Peroxy bond means O bond O. Minus 1, minus 1. Clear? Carbonic acid, H2CO3. Okay. Boric acid, H3BO3. Nitrous acid, HNO2. Nitric acid, HNO3. Pernitric acid, HNO4. See, I am writing very important useful oxoacids of phosphorus. 1. Ortho phosphorus acid. Ortho phosphorus acid, that is H3PO3. It can form two oxoanions, H2PO3 minus 1, HPO3 minus 2. This is primary phosphite. This is secondary phosphite. Clear? 2. Orthophosphoric acid. Okay, that is nothing but H3PO4. It can form three series of salts. 1 H2PO4 minus 1 dihydrogen phosphate. HPO4 minus 2 monohydrogen phosphate. This is PO4 minus 3. That is called phosphate. Clear? Orthophosphoric acid can form three series of salts: dihydrogen phosphate, monohydrogen phosphate, and phosphate. Clear? 3. Peroxophosphoric acid. That is nothing but H3PO5. Okay, what is the difference between phosphoric acid and peroxo? Peroxo means one oxygen is added to one of the oxygens of phosphoric acid. Okay, there is peroxy bond. Peroxy bond means O bond O. Here, one oxygen is added to phosphoric acid, that is with peroxy bond. 4. Metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid. HPO3, that is okay, not stable. Trimetaphosphoric acid is only stable. This is PO3 minus 1, metaphosphate. Trimetaphosphate phosphoric acid is only stable. 5. Hypophosphoric acid H4P2O6. Hypophosphoric acid 6. Pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7. This is hypophosphoric acid. This is pyrophosphoric acid. These are some, we can write so many phosphorus oxo acids. Clear all of you? Note down fast. See, what two more we can write. Hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. That is H3PO, very important. 8. Pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. That is H4P2O5. Clear? These are some oxo acids of phosphorus. Tell me. Orthophosphorus acid, important. Orthophosphoric acid, important. Peroxophosphoric acid, important. Metaphosphoric acid, important. And hypophosphorus acid, that is H3PO2. Its salts are called hypophosphites. H2PO2 minus 1. Hypophosphite. Clear? Monobasic. Can form only one ion. Note down fast. Now I am going to write very important oxo acids of sulfur and oxo anions of sulfur. 1. Very important, sulfurous acid. That is H2SO3. Clear? It can form two types of salts. One is HSO3 minus 1, another one SO3 minus 2. Primary oxo anion. This is secondary oxo anion. 2. Thiosulfurous acid. Thio means oxygen is replaced by sulfur. H2S2O2. Okay. 3. Hyposulfurous acid. Clear? H2S2O4. Okay. 4. Pyrosulfurous acid. Hypopyro difference 1 oxygen. H2S2O5. Difference is 1 oxygen. Very important. Difference is 1 oxygen atom. Clear all of you? Remember, this is easy way of remembrance. These 4 acid series. 5. Sulfuric acid. What is the formula? H2SO4. It can form 2 series of salts. HSO4 minus 1. Hydrogen sulfate. SO4 minus 2. That is sulfate. Clear? Very important. Sulfuric acid series. Next, thiosulfuric acid. That is nothing but H2S2O3 thiosulfate, S2O3 minus 2 thiosulfate ion. Clear all of you? Very important this is also. 7. Pyrosulfuric acid, H2S2O7, that is nothing but oleum. Okay, S2O7 minus 2 pyrosulfate. Clear all of you? Next, peroxo monosulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid. Peroxo monosulfuric acid, okay, H2SO5. Peroxo disulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid, H2S2O8. They have peroxy bond. They have peroxy bond. Peroxy bond is nothing but O bond O. Clear all of you? O bond O. 10C. Dithionic acid. Dithionic acid, that is H2S2O6. Finally, polythionic acid. Polythionic acid. Okay, poly means n times, H2SnO6. These two are thionic acid series. Okay, sulfur can form 11 oxo acids. C. Sulfurous acid, thiosulfurous acid, okay, hyposulfurous acid, pyrosulfurous acid. These four are us acid series: sulfuric acid, thiosulfuric acid, pyrosulfuric acid, peroxo monosulfuric acid, peroxo disulfuric acid. These are ic acid series. Dithionic acid, polythionic acid. These two are thionic acid series. Note down fast. See, now I am going to write oxoanions of chlorine. Very important. Chlorine can form 4 oxoanions. Okay, not only chlorine, halogens. 1. Hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, that is HClO. Okay, ClO minus hypochlorite. Hypochlorite. This is oxoanion. 2. Chlorous acid. Chlorous acid, that is nothing but HClO2. What is oxoanion? ClO2 minus 1. Clear? That is chloride. Chloride ion. This is oxoanion. What is oxoanion? Anion with oxygen atom. Chloric acid. Chloric acid. What is the formula? HClO3. What is oxoanion? ClO3 minus 1. That is chlorate ion. Clear all of you? 4. Perchloric acid. Perchloric acid, that is nothing but HClO4. Okay, what is the difference between perchloric acid and chloric acid on oxygen? Very simple. ClO4 minus 1. What is the name? Perchlorate. So chlorine can form 4 oxo acids. C. Hypochlorous acid, chlorous acid, chloric acid, perchloric acid. Here chlorine shows +1. Here chlorine shows +3. Here chlorine shows +5. Here chlorine shows +7. In addition to these oxo acids and oxoanions, some transition metals, only non-metals can form oxoanions, but some transition metals with higher oxidation state can form oxoanions. Very important. Some transition metals, okay, with higher oxidation state can form oxoanions. Clear all of you? Very important. 1. MnO4 minus 1 permanganate. Clear? 2. MnO4 minus 2 manganate. MnO4 minus 1, that is permanganate. MnO4 minus 2, that is called manganate. 3. Cr2O7 minus 2 dichromate. 4. CrO4 minus 2, that is chromate. These 4 are very important oxo anions of transition metals. So using this we can write KMnO4, potassium permanganate, oxoacid HMnO4. Okay, this is K2MnO4, potassium manganate. Okay, this is K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate. This is K2Cr O4, potassium chromate. This is potassium permanganate. This is potassium manganate. This is potassium dichromate. This is potassium chromate. Clear all of you? We can write sodium chromate, sodium dichromate, sodium permanganate, sodium manganate. Okay, this is -1. We can use alkali metal. This is -2. We should use 2 alkali metals. This is -2. We should use 2 alkali metals. This is -2. We should use 2 alkali metals. So these are some important oxo anions and oxo acids. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Happy learning.